Whether you're brand new or have years of experience, these kinds of tweaks can make your workday way smoother. The last and final hack. Funny enough, this hack is not even something that I think that a lot of legal professionals really think about, but I think that this is potentially a way that you can use it as a tech-savvy option to impress your boss that you know all things technology. And that's going to be setting up custom reports that give attorneys real-time insights without them asking for it. You can use your case management system to set up a one-click case status report. For this example, I'm going to be using MyCase because I think that MyCase does a very good job of setting up these status reports so that way you can figure out exactly where the case is. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. All right, so first thing that we're going to do is actually go to reports. And once we're inside of reports, there's a whole list of different reports that are in here. The one that is going to be most beneficial to you for this specific example is going to be associated with case and contact reports, which is this one, which is third from the bottom down here. So this one here, you're going to want to go to case list report. Once you go to case list report, this is going to give you a bird's eye view of what's going on for the different cases within the firm, and you actually can make some changes to this and then actually save the report to make it easy for yourself. So what you'll do here is, let's say for example, you want to see it for only certain attorneys. You can make a modification and see it for only certain attorneys here. Maybe it's just the lead attorney, you can do that. Maybe it's firm users, you can do that as well. You have some options here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on a couple of different things so that way it makes it easy. One of the other thing that's really cool is that if you have any custom fields that you've set up inside of the system, you can also use those custom fields to be able to bring up relevant information to make the report more custom and more user-friendly specifically for your firm and your firm's specific needs and situations. So I'm going to leave it as open. I'm going to leave it as practice area divorce. And maybe we'll do cases that are on hold and all offices, and we can run the report. We'd always save this report as a default view, and then we can even save the report to be used later. So we are going to run the report, and right now there are no cases for this type. But let's say that I did something else and I did all, and I run the report. It's going to show up that there's actually one case. Whether I did it all, or I did it on hold, or I did it discovery, I did it in trial, whatever the case is for the case stage, you can then go ahead and say report, and then you're going to name your report. Whatever you want to name it, you can name it. I'm just going to do case list divorce practice area. Once you save the report, you'll notice that it's going to be in your saved reports inside of the system. So all you have to do is go to reports and then go to my reports, and you'll see that it's actually saved here for you to go ahead and use whenever you're ready to use it. And I think that that would be a great way to actually be an asset to your firm, because they're always wanting to know the status of the cases. If your firm specifically focused on having meetings weekly or bi-weekly or monthly or whatever the case is, they're going to use this case list report to be able to do whatever the next thing is that they need to do, and to be able to figure out where cases are within the firm and who they need to bill and all those good things. So I think it will come in very handy, and it will be a beneficial asset for you to know how to do this so that you can truly help your firm run more smoothly. This is a way that you can show that you are invested and you care about the longevity of the firm. And I think that goes very far. All right. And there you have it. That brings us to the end of hack number 5. Next up, we're going to be diving into how to actually make your day-to-day easier inside of tools like Clio, MyCase, or Locus without getting overwhelmed. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for the next video as a part of this series. And if you've been following along with this series and these tips have been helpful, just imagine what we can do together on a deeper level. I'd love to invite you to become a CasLovesTech Insider. It's my monthly subscription where we dive even further into these strategies, hold live office hours, and give you behind-the-scenes breakdowns on streamlining the firm you're supporting on a daily basis. Whether you're ready to automate more, clean up your case management, or just get your tech life together, the Insider is where we do the real work. You can join now or save your spot with a deposit at CasLovesTech. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. I can't wait to see you in the next video. But until then, continue thriving with your systems and have a wonderful day. Bye.